Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm EverOutward13. I make videos here every week on YouTube about making money, saving money, and couponing. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I have some pretty awesome content coming up that I'm really excited to share with you guys. Okay, I'm really excited about this video that I have for you guys today. It's my first time ever doing a look ahead. So these deals will start tomorrow, July the 12th. And I wanted to do some breakdown deals to if you're brand new to couponing at CVS, you don't have coupons, you don't have cash register tape, you don't have anything like that, you can go ahead and do these deals and it'll help build up your store credit and build up your confidence so that the next time you go couponing at CVS, you'll be a little bit more excited and you'll have some store credit to work with. So we are here at the ad. It's a sneak peek. These deals start tomorrow. It's July 12th through July 18th, 2020. And just kind of a quick overview. This is the perfect time, honestly, to start couponing at CVS, especially if you can get the app, because they have the Extra Care, Extra Thanks event, and you'll get a free gift each day, the 5th through the 18th, as long as you have the app. Just log into the app. And I have a tutorial coming up about how you can actually teaching you how to send coupons and deals to your CVS card. That'll be out soon. I think it's scheduled to come out soon. I can't remember exactly when, but I'll have that for you guys. So that's great. You'll get some free items. So briefly, before I get into the deals, this is actually what I tend to do, or I have been doing lately. Whatever deal it is, it's usually Procter and Gamble products, and it'll be like spend 30, get 10, spend 20, get 5. That's kind of what I've been focusing on. We've been running low on laundry care items, so I've been trying to stock up on those. If I do this deal this week, I'll probably try to focus on toilet paper and paper towels because we are running low on that as well. So let's get started. Also, I wanted to point out before we get started into the newbie friendly breakdowns, if you want to do this deal and you don't have any coupons, which you could run out and get Sunday's paper tomorrow, but if you don't, there is a P&G summer scale rebate that's going on right now, and if you spend $50 on select P&G products, you can send away for a $15 gift card from P&G, and if you spend $20 after coupons and store credit, you can get a $5 Visa gift card, and I made a video on that. I will try to remember to link it in the description. So even if you don't have a ton of coupons and you still want to kind of do this deal, you can go ahead and send away for that rebate, and that will really help you out. Okay, so let's actually get into the newbie friendly breakdowns, and we're going to be focusing right now on the Colgate products. So the Colgate products are as follows. Let's zoom in a bit. So the Colgate products right here, it's the Colgate Optic White 4.2 ounces, the Colgate 2-in-1 for 4.6 ounces, the Max for 6 ounces, and the Colgate Total for 3.4 or 4.8 ounces. It's really important to pay attention to the products within a specific line that qualify, because you might see Colgate Optic White that's 3 ounces, but that wouldn't qualify for the deal. So just try to watch for the dimensions of the product that qualify. So the deal is as follows. If you spend, so these are going to be $3.49, the dimensions that I laid out to you. They're going to be $3.49 each. When you buy any 2 of these items listed over here, you're going to get $4.50 in extra bucks reward. And if you don't know, extra bucks rewards are just CVS's version of like store credit. So if you buy 2 of those at $3.49 each, you're going to spend $6.98 out of pocket before tax. But you're going to get back $4.50 in store credit. So if you let that offset one another, it's basically like paying $2.48 out of pocket. And the great thing about this deal is that you can do it twice. So you can do 4 of these products that I outlined. It'll be $13.96 before taxes. That's important to remember. And you'll get back $9 in store credit, which means it's kind of like paying $4.96 out of pocket once you offset the cost with the store credit. Okay, the next deal I want to point out is the Crest deal, and it's right here. It's the Crest Pro Health 3.4 to 4.6 ounces, the Crest 3D White, 3 to 3.5 ounces, or the Crest Complete Toothpaste, 4 to 6.2 ounces. So these are going to be $2.99 with your card. Remember, all these deals only work if you have a CVS card. So just remember to sign up for these and get your card active before you try to do these deals. So it's going to be $2.99, and then you have to buy two. So two at $2.99 is going to be $5.98. And then you're going to get back $3 in extra bucks rewards, which again is just like CVS store credit. So it'll basically be like paying $2.98 out of pocket before tax once you let the store credit and the full price offset. And again, down here, if you see offer limit of 2, so you can do this deal twice. So if you decide to do it twice, you'll be spending $11.96 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $6 in store credit, which is basically like paying $5.96 for 4 tubes of toothpaste. And these are not the small kinds. These are a nice size toothpaste. So yeah. And again, these are just the 2 deals that I laid out for you. I wanted to just show you just 2 deals you can do that you are able to do these deals even if you don't have tons of coupons or store credit, and the store credit that you get will help you build. So let's say you do the Crest deal and then you do the Colgate deal that I talked about first. You'll have, if you do the offer limit, which is 2, you'll end up with, let's see, $15 in store credit. Out of pocket you will have paid about $25, but you'll have $15 in store credit. Then if you really wanted to, you could go back and do this deal, the Colgate deal. I mean, not the Colgate deal. You could do the P&G deal, and that will bring your out of pocket, so you have to spend 30 to get 10. That will bring your out of pocket way, way down. So again, these are just some ideas to think about. If you want to put together your own scenarios, that'd be great, but that was just to get you started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope it was clear. If not, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you have, and I'll see you next time.